Hello everyone, welcome back to Marvelous Beauty World. It's your lady here, Mommy. Today I've got a nice special video for you. So we're gonna show you how to use CARO light or CARO white step by step. And then a lot of you guys requested me to who can use CARO white or CARO light. Everyone can use CARO light, but in this video I'm gonna show you like how to use it step by step in a good and safe way, so you don't have like a side effect. So if you feel like this is your cup of tea, if you're excited about this video, keep watching. Much love, mommy. Bye. As I told you on my intro, like I'm gonna show you like how to use CARO light or CARO white and then who can use it. But before I say it, I have to show you like a good tip. So for you to know the white CARO light, so it has to be made by Angel Cosmetic. It's here, so it's made in Africa. It's from Congo, DRC. So that's the good and the original CARO light. And then so when you buy it, so it's like it's sealed, you know, it's very sealed. And then when you like try to press it, it doesn't go down like watch it. It's very thick and then strong. So that's how you notice a good CARO light, because some of you guys use it and then they use a fake one, so they end up having problem with the skin. And then you know they thought like CARO light is bad, but CARO light is not bad, but use it in a safe way. So I'm gonna show you like 3 different shades of dark skin, like you know how to use it. So the first one, I'm gonna put the picture here on top here, so it's gonna be like nice chocolate skin. So for those my girls who has like nice chocolate skin, yes, they can use CARO light. But how to use it, you have to mix it with a glycerine. A pure glycerine is here. So any kind of pure glycerine you have in your hand, mix it. Why do you have to mix it? You're just gonna mix it because you want to tone down your cream, because CARO light has this agent called HYDROQUINONE, and then HYDROQUINONE is very strong, like a very strong agent which lightening the skin. So you have to mix it with the pure glycerine just to tone it down so it doesn't damage your skin. And then also you can add a little bit of vitamin C, you know, you can add a little bit of vitamin C. You mix it together, so it's gonna help you like as well, you know, to boost the skin and then give you a nice glow skin, you know. So if you don't have like the vitamin C capsule, you can use like a mist. A mist is here, so before you put like your CARO light, you just spray your vitamin C mist on your skin. You wait maybe after 1 minute and then you apply your cream. Honestly, you'll be fine. You won't have no problem. For my nice dark chocolate skin like those here on this picture. So the next one is gonna be the caramel girls. So for you my caramel girls, you need a glycerine as well. So you can use something like this, you know, and lightening glycerine for the caramel girls. It's fine because like you know you already got that caramel skin, you just want to glow it, you just want to boost it, you just want to make it look nice. So you mix it with this lightening glycerine. You are just mixing, I already said before, but let me repeat it again. You just want to mix it because the thing is so thick and then you want to tone down the power of HYDROQUINONE. Mix it with some vitamin C capsule. So if you don't have the capsule, you can put the mist as well, but the mist you don't have to put it inside. You just spray it on your face maybe 1 minute and then you go ahead, you apply your cream. That's for caramel girls. And then the third shade is for those my yellow palm oil girls. You know, if you have a yellow skin, you can still use CARO light. Mix it with this glycerine. So you mix it with the ultra strong glycerine. Any glycerine that is lightening the skin you have in your hand, go ahead, mix it together and then use it. Don't forget to put a little bit of vitamin C as well, so capsule inside. And then if you don't have like the lightening glycerine, you can mix it with a serum. So you can even put this BB clear serum. So you know, if you have even like a dark spot problem or anything, mix it with your CARO light. Make sure that your mixture is very nice and then very light. So there will be, I've got like 2 or 3 videos that I did how to mix the CARO light, but if you feel like you want me to refresh your memory again, do another mix, I can still do it, guys. So please, all the lightening skin that's cause damage on the skin if you use it for quite a long time. So like this HYDROQUINONE is always suggested that if you use it like 3 months, have a break, just leave it alone. So you cannot break it down just quick. No, you can just like start, maybe if you used to use your CARO light 4 days a week. So if you want to stop it, start skipping days. You can use it just once a week, and then until your skin gets used to it, you can come out of it and then use a just normal cream which doesn't have like HYDROQUINONE inside. So I hope this video was helpful, and then I hope that I answered your question. If you have another video that you want me to do, or if you want me to review any other cream, so I'm always there. I'm happy to review it. Honestly, my review for the CARO lights is okay. You can still use it, but use it in a wise way. And then make sure when you buy it, you don't buy a fake one, because a lot of people have been faking it. And if you go and then buy the fake one, you have problem with your skin because it's a fake. But if you get the original one, like this one from Untitled Cosmetic and then DRC Congo, it doesn't have a problem. So yeah, that was my answer. So you let me know how you use your CARO light. Do you normally mix it? Do you use it on its own? Do you use it with its oil or soap? My advice to you, because CARO light is already strong and then has HYDROQUINONE, so you don't have to use CARO light with CARO light oil. So if you want to use a oil or serum, use like a different natural oil or serum just to tone down the percentage of the HYDROQUINONE in the cream, because it's so high. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. We really appreciate. So we see you until my next one. But don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you feel like this video is not for you, sharing is caring. You can send it to your niece, your auntie, your family, anyone that you feel like this video can be interested for them. Send it to them. I will see you until my next one. Bye.